To set up your Waterpik Cordless 2 properly, start by unpacking everything and confirming you have the unit, charging base, and power adapter. Inspect for any visible damage before plugging it in. Place the charging base on a flat, dry surface near an outlet to ensure stability and safe operation. Connect the adapter securely, then allow the device to charge for about 4 to 6 hours before first use, so the lithium ion battery reaches full capacity. For long-term performance, avoid letting the battery drain completely. Lithium-ion cells last longer when you recharge them every few uses instead of waiting until they're empty. If storing the device for a while, keep the battery around half charged rather than fully drained or fully topped off. Wipe the magnetic charging contacts monthly with a dry cloth to remove dust or moisture that could interfere with charging. If charging seems slow, check room temperature and ensure you're using the original charger. Proper care will help maintain strong battery life and consistent water pressure for everyday oral hygiene.